Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by priming and arranging tools so painting moves fast. Apply one thin coat of gesso and let it dry. This balances absorption and color. Meanwhile, squeeze out main colors in small puddles on a palette and set a wet rag and spray bottle nearby to keep paints usable. Make sure to choose 2 brushes, a flat for blocking shapes and a round for details. Once done, you'll be ready to lay down the first layers without stopping to fetch supplies. You now block in large shapes and establish color relationships to guide the whole piece. Start with a light sketch, then use a flat brush to fill main areas with thinned acrylic. Thinner coats dry faster and help you adjust composition. Once large masses are set, build midtones and highlights by adding less water and more pigment so the paint becomes richer. Make sure to let each layer become tacky before applying heavier strokes. This prevents muddying and preserves crisp edges and color clarity. You finish by refining details and stabilizing the surface. Use a small round brush for edges, highlights, and texture. Glazes, thin, transparent layers let you subtly shift hue without overworking paint. Once fully dry, apply an acrylic varnish to unify sheen and protect the work. Choose spray for even coats or brush varnish for control. If paint cracks or lifts, stop, let it dry, then sand gently, spot prime with gesso, and reapply thin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.